So a few months ago, I made this particular video about this particular project and their upcoming airdrop and how to participate in it. So today's video is going to be about this particular smart layer project, because on their Twitter handle, I think their last post, which is almost 24 hours ago, clearly shows that after the coins that we have been claiming, the airdrop is around the corner. They says, as you can see, it says it's official. The smart layer airdrop is happening. It's happening soon. More in few weeks to be released in phrases for in the next few weeks, an opportunity to earn more smart money coins and other things. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this particular thing. So look at it over here. The airdrop is confirmed. Like, the project is about to list and they are going to airdrop their coin to their early users. And for those of you that started it early, kudos to you guys. You guys know how our Vive, Core, and Mindbase paid us, and I think our smart layer project is around the corner. So for those of you that have not done it, you got to watch this video attentively and look at it, the whole thing, for you to know how to participate in it and other things that follows it. But before we continue, let me use this particular opportunity to do a quick intro. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to ZBK Crypto. My name is Zubi King, and this is the channel where I drop updates like this, both USDT update and airdrop, crypto airdrop, the crypto project that is running their airdrop that is going to list sooner or later. So what I would like you to do in this video now is to click on the subscribe button. Yes, you need to subscribe, and I also need your subscription so that my channel will grow with time, and you also be among my community that I normally share of this kind of updates. So if this kind of a thing interests you, once again, kindly subscribe to the channel, then turn on bell icon, turn on all the bell icon, so that you get notified whenever I drop any update like this, so that you not be late, you not get it late or from any other place or whatever. And then don't forget to drop a like. It really helps me a lot and motivates me to make more videos like this and make research on projects that are legit, that are not actually scam, that is not going to waste your time or scam you or hack your wallet. And then last but not least, tell me whatever you think in the comment section and let me know what you think, and also the questions you need to ask me. And with this, I says, let's dive into the main video of the day. So if you follow the link into this particular if you follow the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you over to this my particular WhatsApp channel. This is a WhatsApp channel, a brand new channel that I just created let me call it a week ago. The reason for this channel is so that old members can also see the old videos, new members can also see the old messages in the channel, instead of if you join my group and then you will not see the old messages and old update there. So follow the link in the description of this video, join this particular WhatsApp channel, and you are going to see this particular post that I made about this smart layer airdrop. And then follow the link in the description of this video, in the description of in this particular project, or should I say post. So it's going to take you over to this particular place where you are going to click on register early, and then all you need to do is to enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, click on how you lead the terms and conditions. It's going to send you a confirmation email and other things, and once you're done with it, it's going to ask you to go to your pass, and if you click on pass, it's going to get you over here. So far so good. I've gotten around 7,295 points over here. So the point is what they are going to airdrop you with. So they are going to airdrop you according to the points amounts that you have. So you have to complete some quests over here. So there are a lot of quests over here to complete. So first of all is to confirm your email address. They're going to give you 25 points, and then add your wallet to Google. They are going to give you another 100 points, and then join their Discord, follow them on Twitter, and then you can then invite friends or continue to do other points. So this is where you will get your points. So I've done my own already and I cannot redo it. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just follow the instructions which they have given to you. So once you're done with it, you can also go over to the perk section and look for the things to do with the perk and other things that follows it. So for me, I'm not doing gaming. I'm not a gaming type. So you can also, for those of you that do games, you can go ahead and do it, and you can win up to 25,000 points and additional partner quest. So for me to clear this video up and then end it up, let me just say this airdrop is legit and it's coming soon. There's nothing much to do here apart from completing tasks, inviting your friends, and then accumulating a good amount of points, so that once they are done this thing, we are going to know how much we are going to make in it. And remember, there's no particular amount you can make in airdrop can list to any amount of money, so don't put too much hope on it and or look down on it. Just be neutral, do it and accumulate as much points as you can, and then let's wait for listing. Once again, my name is Cyril speaking, and I hope you guys got value from this video. If you got value from it, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more updates, and join my WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel, so that you get updates before even coming to YouTube. And with this I said, see you guys on my next video once again, and remain profitable. Bye.